In this video, we are targeting brown sharks here on Cape Cod from my boat, the Miss Loretta. And this took place on Wednesday evening, September 5th, 2018. Brown shark fishing on Cape Cod gets going during August, and you can definitely continue to catch them through the month of September.
No, I want to do something just
the south side, Vineyard Sound, Nantucket Sound, that's where you want to go for these sharks.
It's definitely out of the ordinary.
Yeah, it sounds weird, but there's people that are making like millions of dollars.
Oh, we were going to shoot a TV episode, but we had a little technical issue with the audio, so we're going to try to get some sharks from the boat. How you guys feeling? Confident?
Feeling good. I'm feeling pretty good. I wish we had the cameras here, but it's alright.
It's alright. We'll use the iPhone.
Yeah. Yep.
iPhone and the GoPro.
We had a beautiful evening. As you just heard, we were hoping to do some actual filming for the television show, but we had some issues with audio equipment, and that's just the way it goes. So we figured we'd still head out, give it a shot, fish until maybe 10 p.m.
Nice lighting.
Pretty beautiful evening. A little bit of a breeze out of the southwest, as is pretty typical on summer nights. Probably was blowing about 15 out of the southwest. Can't really tell right now, we're in such a protected area. That's actually Bob Kraft of the Patriots. That's his house, or one of his probably numerous houses. If you're familiar with the south side of the Cape, then you probably recognize where we are in this shot right here. And with so many people watching these videos, I'm reluctant to say exactly where we are. However, if you are at all familiar with the area, then you probably recognize the spot. We would head several miles down the beach here before we started fishing. But pretty much any of the inlets and bays from Falmouth all the way to Harwich, you can catch brown sharks outside any of these inlets or bays. Lots of coastline that produces good fishing for sharks. So once John found the spot, we motored up to where he wanted to fish, and we just dropped the anchor. We were only in about 11 feet of water, so we were pretty close to the beach. And keep in mind that you can catch these sharks from shore at night. So when fishing from a boat, you really don't have to go too far, just a little bit farther than you would be able to cast from the beach. Out in 10, 11, 12 feet of water, that's all you need to do. Anchor up, start a chum slick. In a moment here, you'll see that John is going to be doing a slow drip of menhaden oil, and that's got to create a really big chum slick, and you can actually see the slick on the water once this menhaden oil gets going. And right now, this is what I'm talking about, and you can buy one of these slow drips. You can buy the menhaden oil and just have a nice slow drip going the entire trip. And you can already see behind the stern of the boat there how the water is getting a little sheen on the surface. And that would just extend for hundreds of yards behind the boat. Just like when we were fishing from the beach, we were using fresh, dead bluefish for bait. You can see how John likes to cut slits in the bluefish and then just hucking out behind the boat with 6 ounces of weight. And you can check out the land-based Shark Fishing on Cape Cod blog post for the exact rigging that we used. I have everything outlined in that post, including the exact reels, the terminal tackle, the hooks, the leader. So go to the land-based Shark Fishing on Cape Cod blog post if you want information on all of the rigging. You gotta be kidding me.
No way.
We're just saying bottom of the knife bite. You gotta be kidding me. That is unbelievable. 2 minutes and then we gotta call it quits. How about that? That is ridiculous.
That's awesome.
I can't believe it.
I don't even know if you finished your sentence.
I didn't. Yeah, that is unbelievable.
That's a real abandon. There we go.
Here, Shane, feel this. Take this guy.
You guys,
Feel it. Just keep that line tight. That is what are the odds of that? Crazy. Just saying bottom of the knife. 2 minutes to go. So that was pretty incredible. We were literally about to quit, call it a night, and we got a bite around 9:45 p.m. Crazy.
Can't believe that.
if you want to put this on too, it'll help your groin a little better.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, pretty good initial run there. Kind of settled down a little.
Yeah, it's kind of just showing.
I don't know if it's a 200. We'll take it though.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I can't believe that. What are the odds?
We were just about to call it quits, and I literally said maybe we'll get a bottom of the knife bite, and at that exact moment we got a bite. So this was on a piece of bluefish. Do you know if it was the head or the tail? Doesn't matter. Yeah.
More often than not.
We've had a really nice chum slick going. Menhaden oil just going behind the boat for a few hours now. Yeah, we should get a look at this guy pretty soon here.
Yeah, you can tighten that drag a little bit.
Yeah.
Going up towards the bow.
When we start, I can pull that line up.
He's like right under the
He's
boat.
right under the boat,
That's
yeah.
all right. Keep the rod tip low.
Watch that go off too. Oh, you got weeds. There he is.
Oh wow, look
Wow.
at that. Nice. That's a good size one. Cool, very cool. That's great. I'm gonna get a little underwater shot while we have him.
You want to hold the rod if you want to take a picture or something?
Yeah, that'd be cool. Keep that light on, Brian.
Man, that water is nice and warm. Very cool.
Yeah.
This is bluefish.
Yeah, just a little guy, huh?
Yeah.
Man, a 6-footer would be something.
Yeah, he's
Thanks for letting me fight him in.
Oh yeah,
Appreciate it.
sweet.
That rod. I got it.
He might do that a couple times.
Pliers? Whoa, hold on. Wow.
You like that?
You want goes comatose.
See his eyes there. He's...
What a cool animal.
Yeah, you can see he's just kind of hanging out right now.
Right.
Well,
Hold on.
I'll tell you, there's something about this pectoral fin
Yeah.
that they will just sit here and hang out.
Oh, really? You
Watch
grab
out.
the
The
fin?
second I go for his tail, he's gonna. So let me know when you're all set with everything.
I'll get a
Turn
shot of him swimming away. Very cool. Well, whenever you're ready, I suppose we can.
Usually it's the second you go for the tail.
Oh, yeah. Man,
There
plenty
you
of
go.
life left.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Nice shot, dude.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. That was
That was
sick.
the last pinch in the bottom of the net.
I still can't believe that.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
Get the hook out and everything, so that's good.
Crazy, crazy, crazy. Well,
Can't
thank
give
you.
up.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
can't give up. Never give up. My God. So the brown sharks are still here. If you're willing to just put in the time, I think you'll have a very, very good chance of getting a bite. Just like we did in this video, sometimes you have to wait until the bottom of the ninth, just keep a bait in the water, and eventually
Kind of cool seeing
a shark is gonna swim by. As always, tight lines, take care, and thank you very much for watching this video.